how to edit or delete a review on Yelp. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you need to update a review you wrote or remove it entirely, well, in this video I'll show you how to edit or delete any Yelp review straight from the app. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Yelp app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, you can just tap on the Me tab, which can be seen in the bottom center of the screen. And here, once you tap on it, you'll be prompted to your profile section. Now from here, you can simply scroll down and just tap on the reviews. And now here, inside the reviews, you will see all the review that have been posted to your profile. Now here you can simply find the review that you want to update, and after that you can just tap on the three dot on the right and select edit review, and now you can change the text, update your rating, or even add new photos. And when you are done, you can just hit post review to save the changes. And here to delete a review, you can just tap on those same three dots again, and after that from the pop-up menu you can just choose remove review and confirm your choice, and just like that it will be gone from your profile. And that's it. Now you know how to manage your Yelp reviews like a pro. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.